The question is, how does food affect your brain? What you eat directly affects the structure and function of your brain. Let's take a look at a healthy diet versus an unhealthy diet. I was asked the question after my interview with Machemehl-Helmly, Know Your Neurotransmitters, Episode 4. Welcome to your Truth Reveal video podcast, sharing the power of self-knowledge. I'm Erika Marcoux. A healthy diet emphasizes eating whole foods that include lean protein, healthy fat, and complex carbohydrates. Drinking filtered water is super important too. Want to know how many ounces of water to drink a day? Just multiply your body weight by 2/3. Water increases blood flow and oxygen to your brain and actually has a calming effect. By eating omega-3 fatty acids, you can increase anti-inflammatory compounds in your brain. Foods like green leafy vegetables have specific nutrients for brain health, and berries are shown to improve your memory. Nuts are also an excellent source of protein and healthy fat that can improve your memory. Now let's look at an unhealthy diet and its effect on your brain. Eating refined sugar and white flour can cause inflammation in your brain. Studies show that brain inflammation is a risk factor for degenerative diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. The artificial sweetener aspartame is no better. Studies show that it might even disrupt the production of neurotransmitters. Eating highly processed foods tend to be high in sugar, fat, and salt, which can cause weight gain. This can increase fat around organs, which is associated with brain tissue damage. Lastly, heavy drinking over a long period of time seems to actually shrink the brain, according to a study in the Archives of Neurology. Your diet definitely has a big impact on your brain. I invite you to post your comments below. And feel free to watch my interview with Machemehl-Helmly titled Know Your Neurotransmitters, Episodes 3 and 4. For more learning, download your free worksheet at yourtruthreveal.com. I encourage you to like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm Erika Marcoux.